Files and Folders, Windows 7. We know Windows 7 is one of the most popular operating system software developed by Microsoft. Its GUI working environment makes it easy to use this operating system for interacting with the computer system. It helps us to control all the hardware devices connected in our system and manage the flow of data from one device to another. It also manages the data we store in the secondary storage devices in such a way that we can quickly search and open the required information. In this chapter, we will learn how the data is managed by Windows 7 in our computer and how do we find the required information stored earlier. Introduction. Information management is one of the major functions of operating system software. Windows 7, being a GUI operating system, provides graphical components for doing anything on the computer. When we save any information in our computer, it is saved as a file and an icon is created for that file. Another graphical object, folder, is used for managing the similar files at one place in the system. Let us now discuss in detail about the information management system of Windows 7. Windows File Management System. Windows 7 has a very efficient and powerful file management system which helps to save the user's data in an organized and systematic manner in the form of files and folders. Memorize. File is a named collection of related information stored in the secondary storage device. What are files? When we do some work in the computer, our data or information is initially stored in the main memory, RAM of the computer. RAM, being a temporary memory, cannot hold the data for a long time, and if we want to use that information later on, we need to save it in the secondary storage device. The information management system of the operating system saves our data permanently in the form of files. A file is referred by the user-given name, which contains the related information. The file name helps to retrieve the information later on when we are in the need of that data. Files are represented with different icons as per the application used to create them. Folder. A folder is one of the major GUI components of Windows 7 which helps to manage the files in the storage device. While working with different applications, we used to save many files in our system. As the files get stored at the same location, after a period of time, it becomes difficult to find a particular file at that location. Folders are like the cupboards where we keep our related books and notebooks in organized manner so that they can be easily located whenever needed. So, in our storage device, if we want to arrange our related files separately at one location, we store them in a folder. Memorize. Folder is a file management component of Windows 7 used to organize files in the storage devices. Folder itself does not contain any data or information directly in it, but it can store many data files in it. We can also subcategorize files in our folder by organizing them in subfolders within the folder. A folder is represented with a yellow-colored folder-shaped icon. Working with files and folders. Let us now discuss how to create, open, delete, move, copy, or rename a file or folder. Creating a file or folder. If you want to create a new file or folder on the desktop, do it like this. Right-click anywhere on the desktop to open pop-up menu. Select New option in the menu to expand the list. Choose Folder option in the expanded list. A folder icon will appear on the desktop named New Folder. Give a suitable name to the folder and press Enter key. Knowledge add-on. Files are opened in the respective application, while folder opens a new window which shows the icons of files or subfolders stored in it. If you want to create a new blank file for a specific application, you can click on the application name in the expanded menu to get a blank file of selected application in the form of an icon which can be opened in respective application to add contents in it. Opening file or folder. Once the file or folder is created, these can be opened to store their respective contents like this. Double-click on the file folder icon which has to be opened, or right-click on the file or folder icon and choose Open option in the shortcut menu. The selected file will open in respective application window, while in case of folder, it will open in the form of a new window. Using Recycle Bin folder. Recycle Bin is one of the Windows special folder in which it stores the deleted files or folders. When the files or folders are detected from the computer, Windows moves it to the Recycle Bin folder, so that in future, if you want to restore the deleted file or folders, you can get them back from the Recycle Bin. Knowledge add-on. Recycle Bin is a special Windows folder and it appears in the form of a bin icon on the desktop. An empty bin icon means there is no file or folder stored in the Recycle Bin, while a filled bin icon means there are some deleted items stored in it. To delete a file or folder, right-click on the icon of file or folder that is to be deleted. Choose Delete option in the shortcut menu that appears. A confirmation box appears to ensure that you want to delete the selected file or folder. Click Yes to move the item to the Recycle Bin. Restoring the deleted files or folders. Recycle Bin folder can be used to restore or get back the files or folder if they are required again or have been deleted by mistake. To restore the deleted file or folder, double-click the Recycle Bin icon on the desktop to open it in the form of a window. Click to select the icon of the item which is to be restored. Click on Restore this item option in the Recycle Bin toolbar. The selected item will move back to its original location from where it was deleted. Knowledge add-on. The files or folders restored from the Recycle Bin automatically move to their last location from where they were deleted. Deleting the files or folders permanently. The files or folders deleted from the computer are stored in Recycle Bin and remain there till we permanently delete them from the Recycle Bin. Deleting files or folders permanently helps to release the memory on the storage device which we can use to store other files, etc. To delete files or folders from the Recycle Bin, double-click the Recycle Bin icon on the desktop to open the Recycle Bin window. Right-click on the icon of file or folder which has to be deleted permanently and choose Delete option in the shortcut menu. A confirmation box appears to caution it for permanent deletion. Click Yes to remove the selected item permanently.